Welcome to episode number 8 of this latest Spire tutorial series. In this episode, we will create our play card game action that will allow us to play our cards. Let's go! Let's first create the play card game action in the game actions folder. It will inherit from game action and will just store a reference to the card we want to play. Now, as always, we will need a performer. Let's create one in the card system. We also need to attach and detach the performer to and from the action system in the onEnable and onDisable method. In the performer, we first remove the played card from the hand. And also remove the card view from the hand view. The removal from the hand view will be the same as discarding a card. We therefore can use the discard card method we have created earlier. We then will perform our effect. At the moment our card has no effect, so we will just leave a comment here. Now in the card view, we can go to the onMouseUp method and create the play card game action when the card is dropped. We also perform the action then with our action system. In the game, we will have two types of cards. Cards without a manual target and cards with a manual target. For cards without a manual target, we will have a large drop area. When we drop a card on the drop area, it will be performed. Let's create such a drop area in the editor. For this, we create an empty game object in the scene under Views and call it Drop Area. We give the drop area a collider. We then position it in the upper part of the viewport. It should not be in the bottom. If we start to drag a card and realize we don't want to play it, we want to be able to release the card without playing it in the lower part of the screen. If we drag it to the upper part, it will be played. Then we create a new layer drop area and assign the drop area to the new layer. In our card view script, we create a new layer mask, which can be set in the inspector. It will hold the layer of the drop area. In the raycast, we then assign the layer mask. On the card view prefab, we also have to assign the mask. Now in play mode, we can drag our cards to the lower corner and they will not get played. If we drag them to the upper part and release them there, they get played. This looks very good already. But the cards don't do anything. In the next episode, we will finally create our first card effect. If you enjoy my videos, I would appreciate a sub. It helps a lot. Thank you for watching and see you next time.